Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. First, let's open the box. Before getting started, review the quick setup guide. Make sure you have a suitable space to remove your TV and assemble the stand. Next, remove the contents from the top. These may vary based on your model. Then, remove the top styrofoam. Now, pinching the tabs and pulling straight out, remove the 4 clips along the bottom of the box, as well as the 4 others on the sides. With the help of a friend, remove the 2 halves of the box, as well as the styrofoam pieces protecting the display. Depending on the model of your television, there may be additional hardware packed alongside the panel. Now, if you have one of the following models, you'll leave your TV in the box to install the stand, so disregard the rest of this procedure. For all other models, you'll need 3 additional people to help you remove your TV panel. It's best to position 2 people at the back of the panel and 1 person on each side. You'll want to use the styrofoam grooves and the top corners of the panel itself as you lift it from the box. And be careful not to squeeze the panel, as this could cause damage. Lay the panel face down onto the soft surface with the bottom of the TV near the edge.